the feelings I have for him in my heart. Every time that I come near him, I just lose my nerves as I've done from the start. 'Cause every little thing he does is magic. Everything he does just turns me on. Even though my life before was tragic, now I know my love for him goes on.
Hold me and take both of my hands when my doubts take over and I just don't understand. Whenever you are with me, everything is so right. Like the stars and the moon give light to the darkest of nights. Like a child seeing fireworks spread across the sky. This is how I feel for you inside. You're beautiful to me, so beautiful.
Classmate kami niyan sa STI. Yun, nakakita mo ba? Binibiro-biro ko pa yan. Tapos, sinukurot-kurot ko yung braso na nakakagigil.
Minsan yung kiling-kiling ko sinusundot. Eh, hindi ko naman alam na type niya pala ako.
Kaya, siguro, ganda doon, tsaka okay. Tahimik lang. Date namin noon, nagpunta kami ng SM Sound Mall. Kasi that time, parang hindi muna pwede kami sa Bacoor kasi baka may makakita sa mga tito niya, pinsan, gano'n, masumbong. So, malalagot kami pareho. Ako, nililigawan ko yan sa labas kasi hindi pwede. Magagalit yung tito niya.
Yan sa akin, hindi naman sa bahay.
Bawal kami doon. Kaya sa labas muna kami, labas-labas. So, that time, pinanood namin One Miss Call.
Nanood kami ng One Miss Call. Kami. Siyempre masaya.
Masabi ko dyan, the best. Yun nga lang, minsan may side effect na sobrang tahimik, hindi na nagsasalita.
Nagustuhan ko sa kanya, mabait.
Kaya, yun, lalo rin ako pamahal dyan. Tapos, meron pa rin yung mga wacky, tsaka minsan, nabubulol.
Siguro malaking influence niya sa akin yun. Natuto ako
very, mapagmahal sa pag-ibig. Isa lang. Probably, getting there, getting older, pareho, getting future, family and kids.
Sunsets name a few, but not as lovely as.
Sana kung ano yung pinapakita niya sa akin at sa family ko, eh huwag magbago. Hanggang sa magkaroon na kami ng sarili namin at pamilya. Love you.
Love you, babe.